Hard work is not the secret to wealth. And if you believe it is, you might be what's keeping you broke. For 20 plus years, I worked in traditional media, creating content for billion-dollar brands. And like most people, I thought that if I just worked harder, if I just climbed higher, if I just stayed the course, the money would follow. But then I looked around and I saw people working less than me, but making 10 times more. So that's when I realized the middle class is taught to trade time for money, but the wealthy, they learn how to make money work for them. And that realization changed everything. So I remember the exact moment when I realized I was playing the wrong game. I was at A&E. I'm helping tell the stories of real estate investors, people flipping houses, building passive income, creating generational wealth. And then it hit me. I was helping tell their stories while staying stuck in mine. I was helping tell these incredible stories while staying stuck in mine. I was the guy working behind the scenes while they were building financial freedom. And I thought, if I don't change how I play the game, I'm still going to be here in 10 years. So I started learning what wealthy people actually do. I started paying attention to where money really flows. And here's what I discovered. There are only two types of money. And if you don't understand them, you will be stuck forever. Fast money versus slow money. Fast money. What is it? High cash flow. It's quick profits, short-term wins. So think about when you flip houses, when you run a business, sales, commissions, high income skills. But slow money, that's wealth accumulation. That's long-term passive income. That's financial freedom. You get that through holding on to properties and renting them out, investments, dividends, business equity, and royalties. Most people, they only focus on fast money. It's exactly what I have been doing for most of my life. Those people, like me, work harder, they grind, always chasing that next paycheck. But the wealthy, they use the fast money to build slow money. So for example, let's say in real estate, they're going to flip a house. That's fast money, right? But they take that cash and they invest it in rental properties, which is slow money. They are building wealth without working more hours. That's the game. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. So what does this mean for you? I'm not saying quit your job tomorrow. I'm not. And I'm not saying flipping is for everyone, because it's not. But if you're stuck in the cycle of working harder and getting nowhere, something's got to change. So start learning about real estate investing. Start paying attention to where your money goes. And start thinking beyond the paycheck. Because if you don't build slow money, you will be stuck trading time for money forever. So drop a fire emoji in the comments if you are done trading time for money in 2025. And let's talk about how to start shifting into real estate investing. I got some opportunities for you. And in tomorrow's video, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap to go from paycheck to passive income. And that's where everything changes. Don't miss it.